Hi everyone! I thought about ways to conclude this TTC, and that's why I came to a beach in Koh Phangan. Um, First of all, I'd like to really thank all the teachers at One Yoga, Christian, Karen, Alex, Akari, Astrid, Sergio, and also, of course, Henrik and Danny. I'd also like to thank everyone here who's on the group. You've been a great support to me also. And then I just want to thank this island, Koh Phangan, also. It's been a magical journey, and I'm not too sure if right now I don't know in like 2 days if I would stay in Koh Phangan or go somewhere, but either way I'm extremely grateful. Just like Karen said, this is just the beginning. I'll keep learning. I will keep being a better self, with loving kindness and gratitude towards myself and to others. And thank you. And I also hope to start teaching soon. Thank you very much.